How to verify your ID on blockchain. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can verify your ID on blockchain. So in order to verify your ID on blockchain, all you need to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, first of all, once you create an exchange account, the system will suggest you to start the verification process right away, or you can do it later as well. So basically you'll have to provide in the date of birth, your address information, and fill out some questionnaires. Now then, to begin with, open up your blockchain account. So once you open up your blockchain account, that's going to take you to this kind of interface where it's going to ask you to enter in all of the information. So as you can see, this is how you can actually verify your ID. So go ahead and click the continue button, go through the information that has been asked, and click on start session button located right at the bottom. Now you'll need to go ahead and select the country, select the ID, whichever is convenient for you, click the start button located right at the bottom. Now you need to go ahead and enable all of that and click the OK button. Enable all sort of permissions. That you've taken the picture, go ahead and upload it. Then click the continue button once again. And over here that you've successfully verified. So that's basically how you can verify ID on blockchain. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.